Hey guys, I'm back again with another mind-blowing recipe. Have you tried this combination before? Macaroni and beans. Guys, if you haven't, you are missing. You're really missing. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Lovely. And it tastes super good, delicious. So guys, give it a go, okay? After watching this video. Now, let me take you through on how to make it. Step by step on how to make this recipe. First, we are starting with our peppers, tomatoes, okay? So in here, I've got some peppers, long pointed peppers, yeah. Some onions, tomato, ginger, garlic, and a bit of scotch bonnet. Go ahead and wash them, transfer them into your blender, and blend them this way, okay? Roughly blend them. Now, guys, let's move on. In a pan or your pot, go in with those blended tomatoes. So the thing is, we are going to cook them dry, all right? If you have already cooked tomato, you don't need to go through this process. So we're going to allow it to cook until the water dries up, all right? Now checking back after a few minutes of cooking it, look at how it is looking. Dry but not completely dry. So now it is almost dry. We're going to go ahead and shift it to another burner. Yes. While it is doing its own thing there, let's go ahead and parboil our macaroni. Okay. So in another pot, go in with some water, cover it up and bring it to a boil. Okay. At this point, guys, as you can see, the water is already boiling. Now go in with some salt. Next is your macaroni. Yes. This is the type I'm using, guys, and I'm going to use it all. Yeah. Depends on the quantity of the meal you want to make. Okay? All right, guys. Pour that in. Give it a stir. So, we're going to parboil it. But for me, yeah, I'm going to cook it until it is almost cooked. Yeah. Just do it this way. Cook it until it is almost cooked, okay? All right, cover it up. Checking back, guys, after cooking for a few minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Guys, look at how it is looking. The reason why I said cook it until it is almost cooked, because when we want to cook it finally, we're not going to be adding water. It will just make do of our stock. But if you want to parboil at this stage, know that when you are doing everything, and last, you're going to add extra water just to get it to, cook properly. Okay, guys, at this point, our tomato is well dry, as you can see, okay? Now go on and add your vegetable oil or your olive oil, whichever one you have, okay? Now, next thing is your dry thyme. Go in with a teaspoon of your dry thyme, 2 bay leaves, dry bay leaves, yes. And now comes in your onions, okay? Go in with your onions. I use the red and the white onions. You can choose to use just one, yeah. Enough onions, okay? Take note. Now you give it a nice stir, yeah? Stir everything to well combine. Afterwards, we allow it to fry, okay? So the good thing is we're not going to fry for a long time, okay? We've cooked our tomato down already. 2 or 3 minutes of frying is okay. All right, guys, we're checking back. And look at how it is. We're going to fry some more. Let's say extra 1 minute. And please, you can start by frying the onions first before tomato, but it's just simply the same thing, okay? A minute later, guys, we're checking back, and at this point, it is so ready. It is time to introduce other ingredients, okay? So before now, please make sure you've cooked your beans, yeah. Remember, today's recipe is macaroni and beans, yeah. So by now, your macaroni and your well-cooked beans should be ready, okay? So now we are going in with our macaroni. It's already, let's say, almost cooked. The macaroni is almost cooked, and our beans is well cooked, soft and tender, okay? Now, once you've added these two major ingredients, the star ingredients, go ahead and stir everything to well combine. This is lovely. And if you haven't tried spaghetti and beans, guys, you are missing as well. I have the video on my channel already, so please do check it out, okay? Now we are going in with our seasoning, yes, followed by a teaspoon of your curry powder, just to give it some flavor. Now we are going in with some salt. Careful with the salt, okay, so you don't over salt it. Next is our meat stock, actually our chicken stock. Use any stock you have, okay? Now, you see we didn't add any water. But if your macaroni or your beans is still a bit strong, please introduce water, okay? Because I have everything well cooked, like the beans is well cooked, the macaroni almost cooked. So just that stock will do. Now, give it a nice stir. Combine it very well, okay? At this point, we're going to cover it up and allow it to cook. Chicken back after cooking for a few minutes, guys. You have to cook on low, medium heat. You don't want it to burn, okay? Now, give it a stir. Oh my God. Guys, this is a must try, honestly. A trial will convince you there's no point, talking too much. Okay, to you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, delectable small chops and snacks. So guys, if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my video. Thank you. This is looking good, guys. Can you see that? Now let's test for salt. Very important. Delicious. Everything is on point. Please do not cook it until it is dry completely. We still want it juicy. We still want it, a bit watery. Is that the right word to use? But I'm sure you understand what I mean. Now let's take it off the heat. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious, mouth-watering, succulent macaroni and beans jollof recipe is set, guys. Please dish it out with me, okay? What is cooking without testing, or what is testing without cooking? Whichever one, guys. Now, let's dish it out. So I've got some grilled chicken, peppered chicken as well. You're going to be enjoying it alongside with it. So guys, that's it. Look at how it is looking. Delicious. Let me seize this opportunity to appreciate all my newest and returning subscribers, my G's, guys. Thank you for the massive support. I really appreciate it. Please keep it up, okay? Love you all. Okay, guys. It is time to taste, like I said earlier. So grab your spoon, grab your fork. Let's devour it together, okay? I didn't want to tell me that it's going to taste good. I know for sure. Yeah, super delicious. Yeah, give it a go, okay? Share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it as well. We've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.